Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Servants here. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Please do not forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, to click notification bell. And today's tutorial, we are going to be making these unisex bracelets. There are 3 of them, but I am specifying these for men because people think that guys shouldn't wear beaded stuffs. So I thought these were perfect for guys, but girls, you can wear this. It is unisex, so make sure you watch this video to the end so that you do not miss any part. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and let us get started. Okay, so these are all the beads that we use for this video. Those black beads are 10mm black pearls. Then we have these 12mm brownish sugar-like beads. Then we have 6mm gold beads, and we have some cowries, and we have a stretchy twine. You could use the transparent one, you could use a white one, whatever stretchy twine that you have, go ahead and use it. So we are going to start off with the first bracelet. So I have very tiny wrist, so since I am doing this for a guy or for someone with bigger wrist than mine, I am going to measure it and leave like enough space. But since it's stretchy twine, you don't really need to have something too long. Yeah, so you can see how pretty these brown beads are. They look like they're broken on the inside, and I felt like the brown is a very neutral color, which is going to be perfect for guys. So if you want to give any guy a gift, I am going to recommend this. So I am just inserting the brown, and I'm going to alternate between one brown bead and 2 black beads, 1 brown bead and 2 black beads. And guys, this bracelet is according to the measurements that you're doing for. You don't need to follow exactly what I did. As you're doing this, make sure you measure it on the wrist, or at least estimate it for how you think the person that you're gifting it to, the wrist looks like. And yeah, if you want to know my exact measurements, just pause the exact beads I use. Just pause the video and go ahead and count to know the exact number of beads that I used. So when you're done, just simply tie it. I'll advise that you tie it like 4 times, because so that it's going to be nice and firm. So I'll say that you tie it 2 times and measure it on your hand to know how well it fits, so that you know if you are to do adjustments before you make the final ties. Yeah, so this is basically it. It's a very simple bracelet. Anyone can do this. You just need to get the materials that I have said you should get. Yeah, so just go ahead and tie it, and you are done with bracelet number 1. And when you're done tying, don't forget to cut it. Okay, cut it as close to the tie as possible. That's why I said just tie it around 4 times, or you can send it through the beads on each side, then cut it off. So our bracelet number 1 is done. Look at how nice it's looking. I love this color combination so much. Now for bracelet number 2, you are going to cut a stretchy twine, and you're going to measure it on your wrist, then double that measurement. Just make sure that it is doubled. We are working with double twine here. And the second bracelet is this cowrie bracelet. I am so in love with cowries. Like, I like the way they look. They just give me these beachy sort of vibes. Yeah, so You're going to see I'm going to start by inserting a gold bead on the round end. Yeah, so I'm going to insert a gold bead right there. Then I'm going to be alternating between a cowrie and a gold bead, and I'm going to show you how to insert the cowries. So what you're going to do first is take one end of your stretchy twine, insert it from front to back. You're going to see me do it in the video. Insert it from front to back like so. Yeah, so then you're going to take the other end of your stretchy twine and insert it from back to front like so. So this is how you're going to fit your cowrie into your bracelet. Then you're going to join both fishing lines again, not fishing lines, stretchy twine. Then you're going to insert a gold bead into both of the stretchy twines like so. So this is how your bracelet is going to look like. Then you're going to pick up a cowrie again. Then you're going to insert it from front to back like so. Then from back to front with the other stretchy twine. So this is how it's supposed to look like, and you're going to alternate doing this. Guys, if you are new to the channel, you just clicked on this video and you're new, welcome to the channel. I am Vanessa of Servants Beads. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. On this channel we do beaded tutorials, anything beads. We do it from beaded bags, jewelry, we have it. So please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can know when I post new videos. Yeah, so thank you so much for clicking on the video, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for all the support you've been giving me so far. Please help me get to 2,000 subscribers. I am depending so much on you guys. Share this video, give me a like, comment something down in the comment section. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. If you have any requests for me to make something, tell me in the comment section or send me a picture to my Instagram. Yeah, so I ended up using 4 cowries for this bracelet. I used 4 cowries, then I just continued by adding the black beads only. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the video to the end. So these bracelets are measurement based, like I said in the other one, so make sure you measure it on your wrist. I'm making mine a little bit bigger because I am making it for a guy, and my wrists are very small, so I made them a tad bit bigger. Yeah, so I just cut off the excess stretchy twine, and this is how it is looking like. I am in love with the way cowries look, guys. So this is it for bracelet number 2. It's looking nice, looking matured, and I'm telling you, guys can definitely wear this. So we are going to be marching on to bracelet number 3. So go ahead and stack this up on your arm however you wish. For bracelet number 3, it is even way simpler than the other ones that we had. So for this bracelet, you just take one fishing line, measure it on your wrist, obviously, you know the drill. And I am using these diamond looking beads. I decided to use just the tan color because yeah, we are going for macho looking colors. So then on each side of the tan diamond bead, I inserted 2 gold beads. Then I'm just going to be alternating on each side. I am going to insert black beads. So this is a very simple one, nothing to stress your brain too much about. So I am just going to be adding black beads. I think I added either 7 or 8 of them on each side. Yeah, so go ahead and count it. If you don't know, a measurement that you can use, you can pause the video and go ahead and count the number of beads that I used for each side of the of the bracelet. And when you're done, you are going to measure it on your hand to see how it looks like. Yep, so when you feel like the measurement is okay, just go ahead and tie it up. Yeah, and you'll be done with your bracelet. Very simple, very nice, looking very matured. It's just a casual looking bracelet. I have other tutorials on my channel on bracelet that you can use for wedding, so just go through my channel and check them out, even necklaces and earrings. So make sure you go to my channel and just binge watch them. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Just tie it up and you're done. So now that we're done, this is how all our 3 bracelets are looking like. If you had no idea of a gift to give a loved one, you can go ahead and make these. I really like the way they turned out. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. Yeah, so you can wear these however you want. You can wear them on both wrists, you can wear them on one wrist, stack them up or stack them up however you want. You can use them as foot chains as well. You can wear them on your wrist, on your on your ankle. They are going to look nice as well. So this is how they're looking like on my wrist. Like I said, I have very tiny wrists because I am a very tiny person. So this is it. Very nice, very beautiful. So guys, do not forget to check out other tutorials on my channel. I have so many things, good things on my channel for you guys, so make sure you check them out. By the way, I have a tutorial of a matching necklace for guys as well. I am going to link it down in the description box. I'm just going to show you guys how the necklace looks like right here. It is so nice, so make sure you check out that tutorial so that you don't miss out. Yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not leave without liking, subscribing, sharing the video and leaving a comment because it helps me a lot. So that is basically it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.